Good morning, beautiful people of the world. Ow! Shame, poor camera. Marco, you drive like... Yeah, never mind. Hey guys, welcome to episode 6 of my adventure vlog. Today we just left the Edmonds farm, had an awesome 21st for Holly, and had a nice day yesterday as well. It was really good up in Underberg. And today we are on our way to Coffee Bay down in the Transkei. Yeah, we'll see you guys along the way.
On the right.
No, it's not.
Well, technically it is. Hey guys, so we just arrived down in Coffee Bay at Ocean View Hotel Resort. What? Ocean View what?
Something like that.
Ocean View. Listen, yeah. It looks really nice here. There in the background, and I think the sea is down there somewhere. You can't really see it; it's a little overexposed. But yeah, I'll show you around just now. See you guys. Good morning, guys. We're here in Coffee Bay. We arrived safely yesterday. I'm sure you saw we got some really stunning drone footage of the place. This place is spectacular. Sorry that it's a bit noisy. There's obviously the sea in the background, but it's a bit hard for you guys to see it. But just give me a second. Maybe you can see it. There's the sea in the background over there. So yeah, it's really beautiful here. I think today we're gonna spend the day just walking around, exploring. It seems there's really cool things to explore around here. I think this afternoon we'll probably go to Hole in the Wall, go fly the drone around there a little bit, and just see how it looks. Obviously I'll take you guys along. So we're on our way to Hole in the Wall at the moment. It's just a short drive. I think it's... What are you looking at? What?
The road, it's very steep.
Oh, look, the road's really steep. It's probably blown out for you guys, but it's quite steep. But yeah, it's just a short 20-minute drive from what's the place? From Coffee Bay. Just a short 20-minute drive on a reasonable dirt road. Most cars should make it if you have a little bit of ground clearance. But yeah, so we're heading down there. Gonna park, I think, next to the hotel down there, and then I think it's a short walk from the hotel down to the beach. And I think I'm gonna fly my drone down there and yeah, just look at the beautiful place. See you guys there. What's up, guys? We've made it here to Hole in the Wall. As you can see, the hole is over there. Fantastic. It's really beautiful here. Like all around, it's really stunning. And yeah, well, let's stop the talking and cut to the drone footage now.
Angels sent from was about to make the stars come out.
Drink from me, drink from me. Pour on a symphony.
When I'm low, 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 I'm feeling drunk and high, so high, so high. I'm feeling drunk and high, so high, so
Hey guys, so that was absolutely phenomenal. This place is so beautiful. This is really such a stunning place. If you guys get the opportunity to come visit, please do it. It's really, you won't regret it. Sorry about the noise with the ocean, you're probably struggling to hear me. If you can't hear me, there will be subtitles in the bottom talking about the bottom. Hit that subscribe button, the like button over there. Throw me a comment, tell me what you think of this. And yeah, that's me for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow in part 3 of my road trip. Cheers guys.